In this tutorial I'll show you how you can create these Overshield and Infinite Sprint buttons. So you have the Overshield, which they can toggle, and as well as the Infinite Sprint. Like so. Project, you want to go to Verse and open the Verse Explorer. You want to add a new verse file and just name it Overshield Sprint button and hit create empty. You want to open this in Visual Studio, like so. And in here you want to copy and paste the code from our Discord, where you can get it for free. Once you've pasted it, you want to go to Verse and click Build Verse Code. You'll get this device. You'll see you'll need some things. So the first thing you need are triggers. Go into Fortnite and go to triggers. Let's go into the settings, make sure it's invisible, not triggered by players, no vehicles, and make sure triggered by damage is on. You can turn this off, reset the layer of 0.5, and make sure receive damage when invisible is on. You can change this one as well, and so you can stretch it out, copy it. So this one will be my Overshield trigger, this one will be my Sprint trigger. And what you can do is you can grab a cube, you can stretch it to make sure it's the same width, the same height, like so. You can place it just behind the trigger, like this, and copy it. You want to grab some billboards. You can also use your own custom textures. Let's just turn this. This one will be my Overshield. And text justification center, bigger size, Roboto light, lower right, like this. Make sure it just shows, like so. And copy it to the other one and change the text like this. You can go in here and you can select your Overshield trigger, your Sprint trigger, and you'll need some class selectors. You need 4 of them, and class designers, also 4. Like this. For the class selectors, you want to change this to class slot 1, class slot 2, class slot 3, class slot 4, and the class designers. You also want to use the same class slot, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you can rename these. This one will be my Sprint. This one will be my Overshield. I want one for both. One for neither. And this one will be your Sprint. So you want to go into the corresponding class designer and search Sprint. Make sure the sprinting energy cost per second is 0. Next one will be your Overshield, so just search Overshield. Allow Overshield is on, and Overshield max, put it to 1. This one will be your both, so just also turn the Overshield on to 1. Search Sprint. Also put it to 0. You can go in all of them You can go back into your device and make sure no sprint, no overshield is set to neither. This one is only overshield. This one is only sprint. This one is both. So that's that. Then you can launch the session. I'll just use an item granter to give myself an AR so I can test it out. It's all players. Game starts. So I'll launch session. You have the overshield. Right now infinite sprint is off. You turn it on. You'll have the infinite sprint. And it will just keep track of the selected state which it is in now, and it will update it